Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I'm gonna jump right in and start sanding this glitter away from this word hop, and I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I'll put that to the side once I'm done, and I'm coming in with this DIY wood decor, and it is a big board, and I'm gonna be distressing it with this antique wax. I also purchased these painter sticks at Home Depot. I went to my miter saw and I cut the tip of it. And I'm gonna give it one coat with the same antique wax. And I'll be wiping it down with a cloth. I'll be doing that to both of the painter sticks. Once that is completely dry, I'll come in with plenty of hot glue and I'll be putting one on either side. And for those that don't know my little baby, her name is Diva, and she's always, wherever I'm at, she follows me. She behaves like a dog. Seriously, she does. Look at this. I have to be pushing her out of the way all the time because she's always on the way. She always has to be front and center. And here we are with the second painter stick. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. This is coming out so beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this piece. I have the hop and I got these two bunny legs, and I'll be cutting the wire with my wire cutter. And again with a lot more of hot glue, because you know that's what we do in this channel. We use a lot of hot glue. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. And I'm going to use more hot glue for the legs. I thought I was recording and I did a little bundle of wheat, just like you see here. My camera had given up on me, and now I have more ribbons. I have these two ribbons from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and make two different bows and hot glue it right on top. And everybody makes bows differently, but if you want to see me make a bow, leave it in the comment section. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and skip through that. Okay, now that I skipped through all that process, here is the bow. I'm going to go ahead with some more hot glue and glue it right on top. Please let me know in the comments section what you think about this beautiful DIY. And today we are doing once again What Would You Make, and it is an open invite, and the host is Zaina from OK at Home DIY and also Connie Creative Creations, and we have a guest host and her name is Marika's Creation. We are going to be creating DIYs with wood. Now I'm going to be leaving the playlist down in my description box. Please make sure to visit the playlist, make sure to subscribe, share and like. The subscription is completely free, and when you subscribe to our channel, we all grow together. Don't forget the notification bell button, like that you won't miss any of the new videos. I'm going to be using these three leftover pieces that I cut off from those painter sticks, and I am going to go ahead and start gluing them all together with wood glue. I'm gonna go ahead and take two pieces of bamboo sticks and I'm gonna glue them right here just to reinforce it. And with these wood cubes, I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue and I'm gonna be creating the legs. I also came back with that wax antique. I watered it down and I'm just gonna go ahead and spread it all over this little piece. This is beautiful, and we have created a little riser. Nothing goes to waste. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this second DIY. I also have this wood frame from Michael's. I purchased this at the grab bag a couple of years ago, and I'm gonna go ahead and start creating a beautiful tray with these Jenga blocks. Sit back, relax, and you'll see what I'm gonna be making. using the same antique wax, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one entire coat. While it's still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and come back with a piece of cloth and I'm gonna start wiping it down. But I'm gonna be watering this down because I don't want the paint to be that thick. And I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to paint and wipe and paint, and I'll be doing that to the entire piece. So now with these Jenga blocks, I'm gonna make 6 sets of 2 with some wood glue. I'm gonna glue it just like this. So now that everything is dry, I'm gonna start gluing everything in place. I'm gonna start putting the Jenga blocks on each corner and also on the middle of this tray. With these bamboo sticks, I'm gonna go ahead and distress with the same wax antique paint. I'm gonna do the same thing to 15 of them. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint them, and then I'm gonna come back with a cloth and I will be wiping them down. Now the bamboos are dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them in. What I did is I put a Jenga block on the bottom, and like that will be the height where I'm gonna be gluing the first set of bamboo sticks. So I'm going to be putting a row of 3 bamboos, and they are going to be 1 inch apart from each other. And I'll be doing that to all 4 sides of the tray. I will also be measuring and cutting at the same time as I go. And again, I just want to remind you that this is part of a open invite. What would you make? And if you are coming from one of the other channels, I am so happy that you decided to stop by. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to give me that big thumbs up because it does help my channel. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section which is your favorite DIY. This washboard forever in my laundry room, and I thought I would just give it a little facelift by taking these rub-on transfer and just putting them wherever I thought that it would look nice. I've also had these rub-ons for a while now. I bought these at Dollar Tree when it was still $1, and they are made to be transferred to wood, metal, fabric, or canvas. And again, this is just a little facelift to this washboard. I remember when my kids were little and I used to live in my hometown, Puerto Rico, this is how I would wash their little bitty clothes. That was many years ago. Let me know in the comment section if you ever used one of these. I also have these laundry room stickers that I also purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and start peeling and sticking right up here. I hope that it turns out nice because I know that the plastic could get kind of shiny sometimes. And I'm gonna also use some Mod Podge and just put on top of the walls just to see if I could eliminate the shyness of the plastic. We'll see how it turns out. And I just want to jump in really quick and let you know that I am very happy that you decided to stop by. If you're coming from one of the other channels, please make sure and subscribe, share, and like. Don't forget that notification button. Like that, every time I upload a new video, you will get notified. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.